Hello everyone, Larry with Larry the Computer Guy here. We're an IT managed service provider in Commerce, Michigan. We specialize in cybersecurity and HIPAA compliance. So today's security tip: never use the same password twice. The number one way you get breached is by a hacker when you use the same password all the same at the time. Or you use an ineffective, weak password. That would be a password like password or password 123. Anything that's found in the dictionary is easily hacked. You need a different password every single website you go to, and you need complex passwords. Passwords of at least 12 characters with mostly letters, uppercase, lowercase mixed up, one special character, one number, because that's what websites require, although those aren't nearly as strong as all letter passwords. They should not contain any words. They should be mixed characters. So and give you an idea, an 8-character password right now can be broken in under 2.5 hours. Doesn't matter how strong that password is, 2.5 hours. That's no time at all for a software hack. Also, don't leave your passwords on your device. Don't come up with strong passwords, put them in an Excel spreadsheet and leave it on your device. Hackers look for this stuff immediately. Do not save your passwords into browsers. They are so easily hacked. We can get on your system and within a matter of seconds have your password list. We recommend using a password generator. We recommend using a password manager. There are a lot of them out there for free. LastPass and RoboForm and Dashlane, and there's a whole bunch of others. These are very easy to use. They're very easy to maintain. They are secure. Make sure you use two-factor authentication. Very, very important. So that if someone does manage to hack your password, they still have to get the code that's sent to your phone. Make sure your financial website passwords are changed at least quarterly. Financial websites are what they're after. They want to get your money somehow. If they can't get your money, they're going to look for every possible way to hack other people through your system. If you like what I have to say, please click on the subscribe button located here. Please give us a thumbs up and leave your comments below. Please follow the government's recommendation on social gatherings and stay safe out there.